Hey guys, don't worry. I'm stuck at the office today, but you're in great hands. So chill, relax, and enjoy your show in English with only Mia.
Oh, poor Jack. He's been working nonstop lately. But that's okay because today it's just us. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Vibes. I'm your host, Mia, and today's episode is super practical. We're learning how to order food confidently in English, just like a native speaker. Fork and knife with plate sparkles. Whether you're traveling, meeting friends, or just want to sound smooth when you speak English, this one's going to help you a lot. Alright, imagine this. You walk into a cozy restaurant. There's soft music, the smell of coffee and grilled chicken fills the air. A waiter smiles at you and says, "Hello, how many people?" What do you say? Easy. "Table for two, please." If you made a reservation. "Hi, I have a reservation under the name Mia." Boom, polite, short, and confident. You've already made a great impression. Now the waiter gives you the menu. You're looking at it and thinking, everything looks so good, grinning face with sweat. So you can say, "Could I have a few more minutes, please?" That's the polite way to say, "Wait a bit, I'm still deciding." And when you're ready, "I'd like to order now." Simple, friendly, native level English. Okay, now let's talk about ordering food, the main event. Pizza. Please never say, "Give me pizza." That sounds bossy. Say, "I'd like a margarita pizza, please." Or, "Can I have a grilled chicken sandwich?" And if you're still choosing, try, "I'll go with the pasta." That phrase, "I'll go with," makes you sound natural, casual, confident. Now, sometimes you might want to customize your order. Let's say you don't want onions. You can say, "Could you please make it without onions?" Or if you want extra cheese, and who doesn't face savoring food? "Can I get some extra cheese on that?" That's real-life English, not textbook stuff. The waiter now asks, "What would you like to drink?" You could say, "I'll have an orange juice, please." Or, "Can I get a glass of water?" Want to sound smooth? Add a nice ending. "That'd be great, thank you." These tiny phrases show your politeness and confidence. Okay, now let's have a mini role play. I'll be both the waiter and the customer. Grinning face with smiling eyes. Performing arts. Waiter, good evening. Are you ready to order? You, yes, I'll have the grilled chicken salad and a Coke, please. Waiter, would you like fries with that? You, no thank you. That's all for now. Performing arts. The easy, short sentences, that's the secret. Now imagine your food arrives. Smells amazing. The waiter asks, "How's everything?" You can say, "It's delicious, thank you." Or, "Everything's perfect." If something's wrong, like cold food, don't panic. Just be polite. "Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered." Or, "Could you please warm this up a little?" Remember, it's not just about English. It's about attitude. Confident plus kind equals perfect communication. Speech balloon sparkles. Here's one of my favorite tips. If you want to sound friendly like locals, use softeners. Instead of "I want water," say, "Can I get some water, please?" Or, "Would it be possible to get another napkin?" Native speakers always add those little polite touches. It makes conversation flow better and shows good manners. Okay, time to pay the bill. Credit card. You can say, "Can we get the bill, please?" Or, "Could I pay by card?" If you're splitting the bill with a friend, "Shall we split it?" Or, "Let's go half and half." Easy. And before you leave, always thank the staff. Simple. "Thank you, everything was great." Goes a long way. If you really loved the service, "You've been amazing, thanks so much." Trust me, that's the kind of English that leaves a good impression everywhere you go. Alright guys, that's your complete restaurant survival English. Fork and knife with plate. Now next time you're eating out, you'll sound confident, polite, and totally natural. Jack's going to listen later and probably say, "Wow Mia, you handled the whole show perfectly," grinning face with sweat. So if you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Vibes, where learning English is always easy and fun. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep vibing with your English. Dizzy.